warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning. I'm teacher Azira. Welcome and welcome back. As for today, the topic will be about family times. The main focus skill is grammar. We are going to learn about stative verbs, simple present tense, and continuous present tense. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to underline at least 3 out of 4 correctly of stative verbs, and also you should be able to choose between simple present tense, continuous present tense, 6 out of 8 correctly. So now, let's start. Okay, now what I want you to do is try to look at the exercise before we go further. Okay, read the sentence below. Match each sentence with use of the present simple. Okay. As you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sentences that is been in present simple, and this side, this is the use or the situation. When should you use present simple? Okay, number 1, as you can see here, habit and repeated action. Second, permanent situation. Third, scientific facts. Fourth, future action based on timetables and schedule. Okay. When should you be using present simple? So you are going to use present simple in the very first situation, habit and repeated action. So bila benda tu berulang and repeated, so masa tu you guna present simple. Permanent situation. Permanent situation ni macam mana? Permanent, benda yang kekal, situasi yang kekal. So tak berubah-ubah. So this situation you are going to use present simple. Scientific fact, fakta scientific. Future action based on timetables and also schedule. Something that you going to do in the future, but it is being scheduled. Maksudnya benda yang kamu akan buat pada masa akan datang, tapi dia dilakukan pada masa akan datang disebabkan berdasarkan schedule ataupun jadual kamu, macam tu. Okay. Alright, let's take a look number 1. Okay, I'm going to give you some time. You can pause the video first, write down in your exercise book and try to do it. Match the sentence with the use of present simple. Okay, give it a try first, and later we're going to discuss. Okay, you can pause the video first, alright? Okay, now you are ready. Let's check it together. Okay, the very first sentence. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, obviously it is scientific facts. Scientific facts. Alright, number 2. His parents work at a bank. His parents bekerja di bank. So this is what kind of situation? Yes, permanent situation. Okay, before we move to the third, let's take a look at the fourth. The English means it's not English language, tapi the English refer to English people. Okay, orang English. Alright, the English drink a lot of tea. Okay, the English drink a lot of tea. It's a habit and repeated action. Okay, we have a dance class next week. Next week mean future action, but based on timetables. So this kind of sentence and also situation, as you can see, the verb is being written in present simple. For example, this one, number 1. For example, this one, number 1, boils, present simple. Work, present simple. Have, present simple. Drink, present simple, or simple present tense. Okay, I really hope you get that, and always remember that when it comes to present simple or simple present tense, if it's singular, kalau singular dia tambah s dekat verb. Tengok sini, s. Water, singular. Boils, dia tambah s. Tapi kalau plural, if it's plural, you don't put s. Contohnya macam ni, his parents plural kan, verb dia tak ada s. Work, his parent work. Water, boils. Water ni singular, so verb dia ada s. His parents, okay, his parents ni plural, jadi verb dia tak ada s. Okay, we have, so you are using have lah, sebab we plural. Okay, the English as a whole, it is singular, so drink, no s. Okay, that's how it goes. Alright, okay, that's it for this slide. Let's move to the second slide.